Are you struggling to pack light for your upcoming trip? What if I told you that you could fit at least 10 days worth of outfits without doing any laundry into just one personal item-sized bag that fits under the seat? No need to pay for extra baggage fees or worry about finding overhead bin space or wasting your precious vacation time doing laundry. So even if you're flying on an airline that has the absolute worst luggage restrictions, like a 7 kilogram or 15-pound weight limit, I'm going to show you the best ways to pack smarter, lighter, bring everything you need, and maybe even save money on your next flight. Let's start with clothing and outfits, because choosing what to pack is always the worst part. But it's actually really easy. There are only 3 rules that you need to follow. Number 1, all clothing items must be able to match with each other, so every top can be worn with every bottom. Number 2, choose items that can be dressed up or dressed down. You want versatility here. For this reason, I usually tend to like dark colors because they can look a little fancier if need be, but they also hide little imperfections like sweat marks or when you accidentally spill a drop of hot sauce on yourself. Unless you're going somewhere hot and sunny, you're going to want lighter colors. And number 3, choose thin materials that can be layered instead of bulky and heavy pieces. And you want to choose high quality fabrics that can be reworn multiple times, like merino wool clothing. I like the brand Unbound Merino, and I partnered with them for this video. They sent me a few pieces to try out, and their clothing is truly a travel game changer. All of their clothing items can be reworn multiple times, like over the course of at least a couple weeks, without needing to be washed. In fact, you're not supposed to wash it very often to be the most effective. If you're not familiar, merino wool is super breathable, it's naturally odor resistant, and it's temperature regulating and wicks away moisture. So you sweat less, you're never clammy, and you don't get stinky. What's great about Unbound Merino is that they've designed all of their pieces to be classic and timeless, so you can build a bit of a capsule wardrobe, which is the key to packing as few items as possible. So all you need is a few key pieces to create several outfits. And with being able to wear each piece multiple times before washing, you could travel for 2 weeks without having to do any laundry at all. I've worn this t-shirt 6 days in a row so far just to test it out. It is ultra soft, ultra comfy, and no one's told me I stink yet. So thank you to Unbound Merino for sponsoring this portion of the video. Okay, now that we've covered the rules, it's time to actually choose what to pack. My go-to is the 3x3 Sudoku method. This means that you choose 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces. The key is that each piece can be worn together. And then when you do the math, technically you can create up to 27 outfits. Now, some of them will be pretty similar, so you're going to choose these 9 articles of clothing plus an outfit you're going to wear on the plane or on your travel day. So basically, you're going to choose 9 to 12 items of clothing total. Then you take your bulkiest top or tops and bulkiest pants and you wear those on the plane. Let me give you an example of how I'm planning to pack for a 10-day trip in the fall, where I plan to do some sightseeing, light hiking, and some city exploring. For my 3 tops, I've got a black t-shirt, pink t-shirt, and a neutral tank top. For my 3 bottoms, I've got a pair of jeans, a pair of black wide leg pants, and a pair of navy leggings. For my 3 layering pieces, I've got a light gray sweater, a button-down shirt, and a gray cardigan. Here are some of the outfit combos. And remember, you can swap any of these items out for something more of your style. If you don't want jeans, you could swap them for a skirt, trousers, or a multi-purpose travel pant. Instead of leggings, you could try a pair of joggers or shorts. I'll admit, I'm not the most fashionable person out there, but these are some pretty basic staple pieces, so as long as you choose something similar, this can work for any wardrobe or style. Now let's pack everything up, including clothing, toiletries, and travel accessories. The personal bag I'm going to be using is this viral cabin bag from Amazon. It's about $10, and this is the viral bag that people have been bringing on Frontier or Spirit or Ryanair or any of those discount airlines. And we've tested it in several different sizes, and it definitely fits. Or if you head to Amazon and read through the 24,000 reviews, you'll find photos of how well this bag fits under the seat on multiple airlines. Now, I'm going to show you how I pack everything up to not only fit, but also stay well under the 7 kilogram limit. And before I get comments saying that I'm only 5'1", so my clothes are small, I get that, but I intentionally chose some of my larger clothes like my heavy jeans and my wide leg pants so that this system can work for anyone out there. And my husband Chris, who I travel with, also flies carry-on only. He is 6'9" and 240 pounds and a size 13 shoe. I'll link a video that he made where he packed guys' stuff in a backpack only. I'm also packing a pair of sandals, my toiletry bag, a swimsuit, pajamas, socks and undergarments, a belt, and this crossbody bag that I'll use for my everyday carry. You could replace this with a belt bag or a sling bag if you want as well. And in here, I'll place my phone, wallet, passport, charger, and earbuds, and any other small items that I might need. Now here's the bag all packed up, coming in well under the 7 kilogram limit. Okay, we're at 0. The key with any personal item bag you're going to use is to not overstuff it. You want to make sure that you have room on all sides to squish the bag in a little bit if need be. Now, I will say for the $10 price tag, this isn't your highest quality or best looking bag out there, but it's a great option that's tried and tested. I will be doing more videos like this with some higher quality and more professional looking bags, so stay tuned for those. I also get asked a lot about how to pack hiking shoes as they're the bulkiest and you don't necessarily want to wear them on the plane. So for that, I would recommend wearing them in the airport and then onto the plane, but pack yourself a pair of either thin slides or foldable flats, maybe even some slippers, and then you can just change into those on the plane. Keep your socks on though. By the way, it's totally fine to wear socks and sandals. Now, if you don't want to use this style of a duffel bag, I've also tested some backpacks and tote bags that all fit under the seat and all fit everything that's in this purple bag, so I've left links in the comments to these bags as well. And for anyone who's taller than me, and that's probably most of you out there, if you need legroom with a personal bag that's under the seat, all you need to do after takeoff is just move the bag and put it behind your knees. Now, not only do you have a little bit of extra leg support underneath your knees, you also have foot room and leg room. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.